Hello, Namaskar. In this banana date milkshake recipe, we need 1 banana, केळं, cashew, काजू, dates, खजूर and almond, badam plus 1 glass of milk, that is दूध. This is the best thing you can offer to yourself and to your family when they are really hungry and you don't have time to make something really very lengthy procedure or a lengthy food. So this is the best, very tasty, yummy and healthy sugar-free recipe which you should try in this summer and after maybe gym workout, for breakfast anytime you can try this and just enjoy.